we are here in Henry County at a brand new community. Right now we're about to tour this amazing ranch home. It has 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, and 3 full bathrooms. Come on in and let's see it. As soon as you come into this home, you notice a few unique features like this wall paneling and archway. But let's start right here at bedroom number 1. This could be a bedroom or an office, however you like it. You come out of that room, and then we have the first full bathroom right here. And then we come into the open living area. Plenty of room right here. You have a space for your TV, even some little nooks right here for some other items. Right before we come to the dining room, you can see your coffered ceiling, and right through those doors, you have a covered patio. Now it's time to see the primary suite. This way. Now this is a large primary suite, y'all. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a big room. So you've got all this space and then a little bump out there and a huge walk-in closet. And you have your ensuite right here. So come on now and let's see this kitchen. So as you can see, you have plenty of counter space, a really good sized island with storage right here. And you have these really nice big tiles for the backsplash as well. And this is where your fridge would go. And you also have a really good sized pantry right here. So coming down the hallway, right through this way, you kind of have a little mudroom area in addition to the garage and laundry room. Now you have a 3-car garage in this home. Pretty rare for the ranch like this, but definitely a wonderful added feature. And right here you have a closet. And then you have the 2 additional secondary bedrooms. And finally, bedroom number 4. Now, another little thing about these bedrooms, they do have the tray ceilings. So you come out of that 4th bedroom in your 3rd and final full bathroom with dual vanity. This neighborhood is located right next to shopping and dining. You can literally walk to it. There's also amenities coming soon to this community, so if you're interested, give me a call and I can get you a great deal on this home.